morning, momshies and friends. We're on our second day here in Rhine-Pfalz, in Rhineland-Pfalz. And now we're here in the city of Koblenz. It's just around 10 minutes drive from Landstein, where's our Airbnb. And we're gonna have a boat tour. So we pre-book it online for just 16 euros per adult. So let's get started. Lots of kids.
Parking is free of hassle as we parked in the Rhine and Mosel Halle Park House, which cost 12 euros for 6 hours. It is very much accessible to our destination, which is the port along the Koblenz Castle. It is around 15 to 30 minutes walk, but not a problem at all as you can enjoy the beautiful garden of Koblenz Castle and the romantic Rhine River along the way. The Koblenz Castle, or the Electoral Palace, is one of the most important examples of the early French neoclassical great house in southwestern Germany. Since 2002, it has been part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it is also a protected cultural property under the Hague Convention. Right in the port, you can find lots of boat tour offers with different routes, prices, and perks. You can easily book a tour right there or make it online, so you'll have a specific time and schedule. There is also an option of boat tour together with a cable car for a cheaper price, or just ride a cable car and buy your tickets at the ticket booth.
One of famous cruise ships is the Viking cruises. So for sure they have overnight stay here. Ayun yung mga cabins at the back. But very few. So this is just meant for a river cruise like this. Ganda.
The Deutsches Eck, or the German Corner, is the name of a headland in Koblenz, Germany, where the Mosel River joins the Rhine. It became known for a monumental equestrian statue of William I, the first German emperor. It was erected in 1897 in appreciation for his role in the unification of Germany. The boat go upstream to the river land with the castle Lanik and palace Stolzenfels. After that, the ship turn around and go to the river Mosel with the German corner and Castle Wilhelm I. Price is 15 or 16 euros, including one free drink. The Lanik Castle is a medieval fortress located in the city of Landstein in Rhineland-Palatinate, Germany, south of Koblenz. The 13th century castle stands on a steep rock above the confluence of the Lahn River with the Rhine opposite Stolzenfels castles in the district of Oberlandstein. The Stolzenfels castle is also a former medieval fortress but turned into a palace, and it's near Koblenz on the left bank of the Rhine. It was ruined in the 13th century, gifted to the Prussian Crown Prince Frederick William in 1823. Today, it is part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site, Upper Middle Rhine Valley.
Is around 1.5 hours, and we're already done with the first hour, so now we're going back to Koblenz. And the last stop was not a stop, but the last destination was actually the Landstein. Towards our Airbnb accommodation. Ayun, that's the Landstein Castle. So it will take us just 30 minutes going back because they're gonna drive faster than the usual speed because it's going back. The tour is only 16 euros per adult and including one drink each. So it's not bad for us. But I think I wanted more. So tomorrow we're going to Bacharak or Obevesel. Then probably we're gonna take another because it's super nice, it's super chilly, and it's not super sunny, it's not super warm. It's just the perfect weather for a boat tour.
Nach ihrer hervorragenden Lage, 150 Meter über die Münchstraße, möglich die Festung zu erobern, stehen. Das ist eine Siegessäule. Die Preußen haben sie dort aufgestellt.
After our very relaxing boat tour, we had some snacks along the River Rhine in one of those touristy Imbiss restaurants and had a bite of the German currywurst. Then we decided to stroll around the nostalgic old city to see more of Koblenz's undeniable beauty. The Altstadt or the Old City is the heart of Koblenz. The historical buildings in the little streets, the cozy cafes and beautiful shops have their special charm, enhanced by the historic churches around the city. Many beautiful cafes and restaurants invite you to rest and relax in the old town squares after shopping. The Koblenz nightlife is very lively because of the numerous bars and pubs along the streets. At the end of our city tour, we found modern-style buildings that reminds us that we are still in the 21st century. In a few minutes walk, we are back to the Koblenz Castle and in the park house. That's it for today, Momshies and friends. If you love videos like this and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red button and the notification bell so you'll be updated. Thank you so much for watching and bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!